help.
Thanks.
Anyway, there's a sweaty guy in the tower with us. He like works here or something. And he gave me this.
No. I'm so sorry. I had this plan, this stupid plan. I wrote it all down and I was gonna buy you this power supply. You kissed me.
I don't really have much luck when it comes to getting close to people. So I lied. I wasn't just watching you because I thought you were.
That's great.
Black Dahlia. Murder.
Yeah. Sorry, it's broken.
I actually like it better broken.
I really like you.
I really like you too. Okay, I'm finished it out. I'm gonna get back to the class. Case.
Yeah, no, hey, you're right. He did great. He was strong. Yeah, I'm glad to say too. I gotta go. Well, I'm glad you're alive. I guess the coded message worked.
Appearances can be deceiving. I'm surprised you didn't just wink in the camera. It worked. Only because I had serious doubts about that.
Not true. He had zero doubts.
Where's Parker?
For the girl.
I need to speak with him.
He'll call you.
You. Okay. Great. But he better. Or it's your ass. Don't even think.